Aloha friends, it's Tutu at the Aloha Food Forest, and I'm just munching away on some cactus today. Delicious. It's juicy, slightly sour, very refreshing. And I wanted to show you how easy it is to harvest the Nopales petals from the Nopales cactus, and with just using a simple tool. My only tool is a piece of banana stalk. Oops, I almost dropped it. This is a piece of banana stalk. So I cut it off of the stalk of a banana tree. So all I have to do to harvest some delicious prickly pear petals is to come over here. Prickly pear and Nopales. Those are, prickly pear is the fruit that grows on the cactus, and the cactus is called the Nopales. So we have a lot of young, tender Nopales petals over here. I'm going to show you how to get them. Take the piece of banana stalk and just fold it in half and use it like a oven mitt. So I just grab one, snap it off like this. I'm holding it safely. Now, inside here, there's an area with not a lot of thorns. So I can hold on to it here. And one of the things about harvesting the very young, tender petals like this one is the thorns. Some of the thorns don't even have the whole thorny part. Like these thorns have two different parts. There's this white part here, that's the part you really want to avoid, and there's this little tender green soft part that comes off easily. So when they're young like this, not all of the white thorns have developed yet. Some of the thorns are just the green, and those are those don't even hurt at all. It's only the white parts that hurt. So I just take this banana stalk leaf or whatever it is, part of the banana stalk, one layer of it, and I just rub it all off. Get around the top edges, get both sides. And shazam! That's all there is to it. Okay, so what we have here is the petal without any of the thorns on it. So it's completely, it's still nubby, but it's not thorny. So from here, if you want to, you can cut the little nubs off before you cook it. But I've been finding that like in my juicing and just eating it fresh, the little nubs are fine. They don't affect the flavor for me at all. So anyway, that's how easy it is to harvest the Nopales petals. And then there's lots of recipes and stuff online for what you can do. One of the ones that I like is you just cut it up into little squares and then put it in a skillet and let the juices sort of cook out of it, and then the juices evaporate up, and then you have these like nice little sort of bite-sized delicious pieces of cooked Nopales. I also pickle these, and just eating them raw or putting them in a juice blend is also good. So there's tons of health benefits if you look online about the Nopales petals. So it's really a great and easy plant to grow and harvest. So I thought I'd just share with you how, even though it seems scary, it's really quite doable. Okay, so have a great day. Aloha.